Hello, everyone! Welcome to Fashion with Bonna, where elegance meets simplicity and style comes wrapped in a delicate shimmer. Today, we're exploring the timeless beauty of lightweight pearl jewelry from Graceful. Stud earrings to elegant bracelets, rings, necklaces, and bangles all designed. Whether you're heading to the office, meeting friends, or dressing up for a dinner, simple, elegant, and forever in fashion, pearl studs are the definition of understated glamour. A pair of pearl studs adds just the right touch of grace without being overpowering. A pair of pearl studs adds just the right touch of grace without being overpowering. Lightweight in design, these earrings are perfect for daily use. Comfortable to wear all day long, yet refined enough to elevate any outfit. Pair them with formal attire or traditional clothing. They adapt beautifully. For minimalists, small white pearls in gold or silver settings are a perfect match. And for those who like a little extra detail, try pearl studs with a tiny diamond halo or floral setting. Next, we move on to the pearl bracelet, a symbol of refined femininity. Today's modern pearl bracelets are incredibly lightweight and designed to blend elegance with comfort. Choose from single-strand pearls with gold accents or delicate chain bracelets with 1 or 2 pearls as a centerpiece. For women who appreciate effortless charm in everyday wear and special occasions alike. Let's begin with the most subtle yet classic accessory, pearl stud earrings. Choose from single-strand pearls with gold accents or delicate chain bracelets with 1 or 2 pearls as a centerpiece. Whether it's a dainty design with mini pearls or a mix of pearls and gold beads, these bracelets work beautifully with both ethnic and Western outfits. A pearl bracelet isn't just jewelry, it's a quiet statement of class. It's also a wonderful gift choice, symbolizing purity, calm, and timeless beauty. Now let's talk about pearl rings, an elegant fusion of tradition and modern style. Lightweight pearl rings usually feature a single pearl as the centerpiece, beautifully set in a thin gold or silver band. Some designs come with small diamond detailing, making them ideal for engagement, promise, or simply self-love rings. Their beauty lies in simplicity, and they complement both Western and Desi looks effortlessly. Wearing a pearl ring can add a soft charm to your hands, perfect for brunches, family gatherings, or even as an everyday piece. Now, let's fall in love with the highlight of pearl jewelry, the pearl necklace. Pearl rings are versatile and age-defying, equally loved by young girls and elegant ladies. From tiny pearl pendants on sleek chains to short, delicate strands of evenly spaced pearls, lightweight pearl necklaces are a treasure for every jewelry lover. Unlike traditional heavy sets, these pieces are feather-light yet rich in design. Perfect for women who want to wear elegance without feeling weighed down. You can wear a single pearl pendant for a modern look, or go for a short layered necklace for a traditional twist. For weddings or Eid celebrations, pick a necklace with small pearls and kundan work, soft yet striking. The best part? These necklaces go beautifully with saris, kurtas, Western dresses, and even office wear. Pearl necklaces bring out the natural glow of your neckline. Elegant, graceful, and always appropriate. And finally, no traditional look is complete without bangles. And pearl bangles add a soft sparkle that's truly unique. Unlike heavy gold bangles, pearl bangles are much lighter and easy to wear for long hours. Designs range from single bangles with embedded pearls to Keda-style bangles with pearl borders and golden touches. Whether you wear them solo or in a pair, they bring a delicate charm to your wrists, perfect for festivals, weddings, or formal dinners. For a modern twist, look for bangles that combine pearls with rose gold or matte finishes. They bring a contemporary edge to this classic piece. Pearls have always been a symbol of grace, purity, and timeless fashion. But today, lightweight pearl jewelry lets you enjoy that grace in your everyday moments. Whether it's the simplicity of a stud earring, the elegance of a pearl ring, or the sophistication of a delicate necklace, these pieces add beauty without effort. So, which pearl piece stole your heart today? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fashion with Bana for more elegant trends and timeless designs. Stay graceful, stay glowing. Good luck and goodbye.